Oh my gosh, guys, the books just arrived. I literally didn't even have a bra on. I have a knife, okay, to open it. I literally didn't have a bra on, and the UPS guy like showed up to the door, and I had just to throw on a sweatshirt so I could like tell him where to put them. And he loaded them into our garage, which is also a mess. But we have, I'm not gonna show too much because I don't want to show an address. Here they are. Let's open them up. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Look at all of them here. They're all so nicely, that's bogey, okay. They're also nicely wrapped. I can't, oh my gosh. Okay, and I just was flipping through this one. They actually had one unpackaged for me, and so I just picked it up, and it's actually much thicker than my sample because I added another month. My sample only came with 5 months, but this is 6 months, so it feels super thick and nice. And oh my gosh, okay. So I was flipping through this, and everything looks correct, and all my like things I had changed are all correct. And I just gotta call my mom because she's gonna be so happy, and I'm just so happy, guys. Oh my god. Okay, it's time to get these upstairs and get them into the prepackaged boxes and ship out the label and get the labels and maybe drop them off at the post office today since they arrived so early. Like I was expecting them to come later in the day. This is freaking amazing. Do you like it? I love it. Doesn't it feel so nice? It's actually thicker than my sample. There's more pages.
It feels great. It's beautiful. It's perfect.
Yay! So these are our gorgeous, gorgeous stickers designed by this gal right here on the screen. She is so amazing. She actually has a stationery company of her own, so definitely check her out. But she also does amazing graphic design and branding services. So just check out her Instagram and her website, which will be linked below. But she designed these gorgeous stickers that I gave her like the general idea of what I had in my head, and she designed exactly what I was imagining, which is just our signature color in the background, Dream It, Achieve It, written around the sides, and this cute little graphic of the workbook itself. She also did a few other designs that I'm excited to produce more stickers with. I actually need to put in a new order already for more stickers, so yeah, thank you so much, Holly, for designing these and working with me. It's been such a pleasure working with such a creative spirit. I love it. And yeah, so when you get your order, you'll be getting these stickers as well.
We were young and we were free and running, never bothered about what could be coming. Every day we danced and life was smiling. We were young and drunk in love. A few years later I have started thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking, we're like one and without you I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you.
Okay, so it is about 12 p.m. and I just got done adding all the stickers to the packages. So yeah, we just did like a white tissue paper folded over with the sticker, and if you receive one, just so you know, the sticker is actually not what we did to adhere it. We have a piece of tape on the back, so you can still use the sticker however you want. It's not what's holding, it's not actually being used, it's just there for decoration and to be cute. So I am so excited. Now I'm gonna print off more of the labels. I did some practice ones yesterday, but I'm gonna print off more of the labels and then assign each of the cards, because everyone got a little thank you, handwritten thank you note to go in it. So I gotta make sure that the names match up with the addresses and all of that. So that's what I'm gonna do next, is print some labels. I have my I set up this printer here yesterday. We got label paper, super fancy. Yeah, we're ready to go. Okay, so it's a few hours later. I actually put on some makeup. I was on the phone with ShipStation and then USPS, like stamps.com, for like an hour because I wasn't able to buy postage. So I was doing that over lunch, and yeah, that took a big chunk out of my day. It's now 2:20, but what I'm going to do now is actually a suggestion from my dad, which was really smart, and it's to actually go and make sure that this package is okay. I'm using the priority flat rate envelope, and it says, you know, if it fits, it ships, but I just want to make sure before I do 50 something of these that this is okay. So I already have a girl's address on here, and if I can ship it then and there I will. But also I'm in my mom's Jeep because she took my car, and she has the doors off, so that's kind of fun. I'm gonna be driving without doors. I don't understand how that's legal, but Jeeps, it's what you do, so it is fun. I will give it that. Okay, I'm a little stressed, but acting like I'm not. I just pray everything's okay. Good news, guys. They said I could take it. It didn't even have to be shipped out on the day that I originally had it for, so we've technically shipped out the first workbook. Oh my gosh, yay.
Thank you for choosing Starbucks. What can we get started for you?
Hi, I'll have a venti iced matcha green tea latte with almond milk, please.
Green tea latte, you said?
Yes. I had a Starbucks reward finally. They like changed the reward system, and I feel like it's really hard to get rewards now, but I had one, so I thought, you know what? I have a reward. Everything's worked out so well today, and it's a rainy, gloomy day, but let's brighten it up and get myself a matcha, which I like rarely get Starbucks anymore because I usually am just going to independent coffee shops, but at Starbucks I do get the matcha, so we're treating ourselves, and then we're gonna go back and finish packaging all these babies up. Thank you. Okay, well this definitely isn't what I ordered. This is not the latte. I think it's the green tea frap with, because it's like frozen ice, but I guess I'm getting more drink then because the ice doesn't take up space. But, and they don't have the reusable lids. They just have straws. So everything's wrong with the order, but oh well, you know, it's okay.
We've been working very hard.
Yes, we finally got all of them done. We got as much as we could for now. I'm waiting one day on international orders to make sure I do the best for those, but we have all our domestic pre-orders pretty much done right here. We're gonna ship them out tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It's the next morning. It's like 10 a.m. I woke up at 8, and I normally do Wednesday morning lives at 8 a.m. but I completely forgot because last night I was packaging so late, and then I was so exhausted. I went to bed probably at midnight, and then I got up at 8, and I was like, oh shoot, it's Wednesday. I didn't go live on Instagram, but we'll figure that out. Anyway, I am drinking one of these Lacombe draft lattes that I showed in a vlog recently of me picking up at Whole Foods, but they also have them at Walmart. They're actually more expensive at Walmart. What's that about? I don't know, but Kenzie Elizabeth recommends them, and I'm obsessed because it's so easy to grab, and especially on mornings like this when I'm so tired. The 1.5 cups of coffee this thing has is so good, and it tastes so yummy. So I'm taking this with me. I'm glad I had one in my fridge. Currently I'm about to run some errands for the workbook. Mom and I are going to go to Hobby Lobby because we have to get more twine for the packaging, like the little ribbon we decided to add yesterday because I liked it, and I was like, let's add another little touch. And then also we have to get stuff for my vendor booth, which I'm having in 2 days, right? Friday, at the conference I'm speaking at. So we have to get all that stuff today, and also I got to figure out things for international packaging, so I got to stop by UPS and then USPS and the bank, and so it's a busy day. Okay, we gotta go. Getting a stand for the book. Do you think the black or the gold? So would I have it open, or?
Yes, I'd have it open.
Should I get 2?
Mm-hmm. Do you want a smaller
How
one?
much are, yeah, they're only $5.
For it to be closed, you want a smaller one?